Don't ever make this upgrade mistake. It will cost you this. Welcome back to channel, guys. In this video we are going to talk about how to properly install your servo and how to calculate the appropriate torque value for your RC controller. Recently I was having some issues with my steering, and I upgraded my steering servo into 12 kilo one 12 kilo metal servo, but steering was still soft, and I was troubleshooting the issue. Let me show you what I had. It's okay when I lift it, but once it in the ground position, I didn't get enough steering. So I troubleshoot the issue. I figured out this steering arm. I was using the stock steering arm, which came with this crawler. It comes with a little spring. Actually, it's a protective mechanism. It's designed to prevent shocks going into your servo, which prevent your servo without burning in under heavy loads. So once your rig became heavier, your servo motor couldn't handle that load. Most of these servo motors comes with accessory pack like this. It contains several servo arms. So what I did was I swapped this safety servo arm and installed this. For a few moments it was steering well and I had no issues, but all of a sudden I lost my steering, and by the time I realized what I have done, my servo motor is totally gone. Let me show you what happened. So if you look closer, you can see I'm missing some tooth here, and this motor is very stiff. I can't even turn. The issue was your servo motor was not powerful enough to steer your heavy crawler. A crawler like this big with these heavy upgrades and the metal parts, it needs more torque to turn your wheels. To calculate the adequate torque for your servo motor is quite simple. Use this equation. Uh, this is not a clear cut value. It's you can have some idea. I'm going to install this metal servo, and this is 25. But then again, you faced with this issue. Your servo mount won't big enough to install this big servo. This, when I compare these two, this is quite big than your regular 12 kg servo. So I'm going to need a big servo mount for this. I got this adjustable servo mount. Now the servo. Right, servo is in the place. Now I have installed 25 kilo servo. We see how it's doing. You can see now there's no issues with steering. When you apply a bit pressure, it's working alright. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. And thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Peace out.